Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to lesson 31 of our online English lessons. Today we're doing a reading. The reading is called The Purple Flower. The purple flower. In the spring, Faye planted seeds in a window box. Pete helped her plant the seeds. They liked the color red. They planted all red flowers. Little green plants came up first. Then red flowers came out of the green plants. The window box looked very pretty. Two birds came to the window box. The birds had some seeds in their beaks. One bird dropped a seed. The seed fell into the window box. Faye and Pete did not see the birds. One day, the children looked at their pretty red flowers. They saw a big purple flower with all the red flowers. What a surprise! How did the purple flower get there? Asked Pete. I do not know, said Faye. We planted all red flowers. They never found out how the purple flower got there. Do you know? All right, boys and girls, this is a very easy reading. Are there any words you don't know? Here we have the reading and some words in a yellow circle. What do these words mean? Seeds, window box, beaks, surprise, never. Look up the meaning of these words and write them in the comments. Now let's look at the reading again. It's all in the past. We're talking about a spring day in the past. There are regular verbs and irregular verbs. Let's circle red the regular verbs. Put pause now and let's see how many regular verbs you find. Here are my answers. I found 9 regular verbs. Actually less, because planted is twice and looked, 3 times. So planted is 1, 2, 3 times, and looked is 1 and 2. Did you find all of these regular verbs? Now we need a blue pencil to circle the irregular verbs. So put pause and look for the irregular verbs. And here we are, the irregular verbs. Came is the past of come. Very good. Had is the past of have. Saw is the past of see. And these are 3 verbs that we've already looked at. Now we have fell, which is the past of fall. What does fall mean? Fall means cadere. Did. Did is a special verb. Did is the past of do. Found. They never found out. Found is the past of find. To find means scoprire o trovare. And finally, got. Got is the past of get. And get is a spectacular verb. Get means everything. Cioè, potete usare get per quasi tutto. In questo caso, to get there, come sono arrivati questi fiori viola? To get in the past is got. Alright, boys and girls. And so this is our activity for today. You need to look up the yellow words. Make sure you know their meaning. Circle in red the regular verbs and in blue the irregular verbs. See you later, alligator. Bye-bye, butterflies.